Jockstrap came up on the scene so quick you think we was a newscast. Well, newsflash, I can see through that. People try to hide what's on their mind like a do-rag. Never would I do that, I'm a real fucking hustler. You be in the background making noise like a muffler, but if it doesn't kill me, it makes me tougher. And that's a message that I pass on to my brother. You never really gonna make a difference till you suffer, but we passed that. Now it's time to smash that thunder. Lately, I've been staying on my grind like a skateboard. I got some rocket power now, so let's take off. We going hard over these beats, y'all just stay soft. I don't even feel the need to say pause, cause you were cheap to the system, how you came and Bernie made off. I'm a firm believer that the hard work pays off. The playoffs, I treat them like Mora did. That means I'm working with a little to get more of it. And anybody who doubted us, we ignoring it. I'm on a different mission, an exhibition, no scoring it. So if we more legit, they treat us like a compound. Yeah, they wanna break us down, never gonna stop now, cause being scared will only eat you like a cop out. Life's a haunted house, I'm ready to pop out. And shout outs to Marina for these pop sounds. I know you really love me, but let's let the chorus drop now.